Take 1 pound of shrimp, add salt, chili powder, cumin powder, garlic powder, and oregano. Mix everything well and set it aside. It is best if you can marinate for at least 10 minutes. Take about 1.5 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Turn the stove on to medium heat. Place the shrimp in layer and cook on both sides for a total of 6 to 7 minutes. Do not overcook the shrimp, and when the shrimp is cooked, transfer it to a plate. The best way to work on a taco is to make the salsa and the sauce first, but in this video I have shown the other way around. When you cook shrimp at the end, it is still hot when the tacos are served. If making this for a party, it makes it easier to have all the ingredients in separate bowls to build their own tacos. Next up is corn salsa. For this recipe, I have used cooked corn, but you can also use canned. Add finely diced onions, cilantro, jalapenos, salt, and some lime juice. This can be made ahead of time and stored in the refrigerator for a few hours. Next is chili mayo sauce. This is so easy, just comes together in a minute. Take about half a cup of Greek yogurt, add 1/4 cup of mayo, some salt, chili powder, and lime juice. Mix everything well and refrigerate this until ready to be served. Check for the consistency of the sauce and add water if you need to. I have used ready corn tortillas and roasted it on a flame. You can use a pan and heat it up, or you can warm it in the microwave. Wrapping the tortillas in a warm cloth keeps it warm for a long time. Or you can use tortilla warmers to save these.